Hello, welcome to a PowerPoint video. If you're a beginner, that's handy because this is my first video doing PowerPoint and I'm just getting back into it. So let's have a look at what we can do. So PowerPoint works with different slides. So you can change which slide you want. We're going to try this one. And what I wanted to do is, let's have a look. So we're going to get a picture and I'm going to choose, that is tomatoes. I wanted to choose the cherries actually. And the cherries go in there. And you'll notice that here, this tab, we've got picture format. So we can basically do a bunch of different stuff. We could do like, you could do little borders around it, and you can choose also like a bunch of different ones. And it's cool because it updates in real time as well. So that's kind of fun. Let's go for that one. And then we're going to go to click to add title. And let's talk about the health benefits. All right, that's cool. Now, what do we want to do with this? We can right click. You can see we can access like a bunch of different things. When you get this, where it says like format stuff, when you press format, it basically goes into this like kind of cool menu that you can basically do like a bunch of different stuff. And it's kind of like the best way to do it, right? Text fill, text outline. So for instance, I could put like, you see like a little pattern there. If we actually select all the text there, pattern fill. And then what if I change the font right to much bigger? So we'll change the font to Arial Black and then make it much bigger. So then already you've got something which is kind of cooler looking, right? And we could do a background of it. Let's make that, we could do a analogous color. So let's have a look at the color of the cherries. So we'll go somewhere near that, right? Let's try. See what that looks like. So there you can see we've got a pattern and it looks kind of cool, right? Now if we do a fill, can actually fill the background with some different stuff. So that would be like a little bit of a contrast on that. The other thing you can do as well, like let's do this. So the health benefits of, I've actually written this down, and that is a medium source of pectin. I was trying to find health benefits. Funnily enough, they're not actually that healthy, but so we could do, let's do that in, so what you often want to do is you want to combine a serif with a sans serif. So I think there's one called Rock. One of the Rock ones is good. Rockwell, well, that is, I guess it just about counts as a serif, doesn't it? So yeah, let's change that to Rockwell. And okay, medium source of pectin. Now we might want to do some alignment stuff with that. Let's take a look. You can also press these buttons, right? So I can make it bigger like that. Or I can make it smaller like that. And we've got, what other buttons do we have? Clear all formatting, character spacing, text shadow is kind of cool. Text options. Let's see what text options we have. Solid line. And what is the width of that? There you go. You can see we're really going overboard with the width there. Probably don't want to go this far, but this way you could actually make well, this is kind of pointless what I'm doing here. But still, it's kind of interesting to see that. It's like, that's cool though, right? So that gives it like a slightly different effect. Not necessarily one that you want, but it does give a different effect. But yeah, you always need to be in text because look, you have these different things, text effects, right? So you can make the text glow as well, right? It's better for like pictures though to do this. Like if you do pictures like glowing on the pictures, so I could do like something like that. Kind of starts to mess up the whole picture, but you know what I could do actually? Do a little bit of a glow, but we'll make the glow a nice yellow color instead. But you know what I'm going to do is I'm going to just make it a little bit more orangey there. See, that actually works really well, right? Soft edges. You could do some presets. There you go. Now, I did want to do something with this. So let's go back to text options. What do we have here? The text fill and outline. So we have this shadow reflection glow, and we also have the. This is pretty a pretty important one as well here, right? So we probably want it middle centered. There you go. I don't actually like the text, what I've done there, though. It looks really stupid. So we're actually going to go back and let's just do no line there. So that was interesting, right? I did no line and just did it for the one word. So I think there's a thing, yeah. Basically, like one click, yeah. You can do one click, double click selects a word, and then triple click. Yeah, that's the thing. The triple click does select those things. But you can see it's gone back to shape options for some reason. So if I go solid, interesting. So if let's just look at this color button. You see, it's actually removed the color button as I highlight the whole lot. That's why you don't really want to do it like that. So if I just did no line on this word, do no line, right? And no line. So that's better, right? I'm not quite sure what's happened there. There's like a little strange bits there. Probably oh, they're a bit less when they're like that. Yeah, you need to actually make it a little bit more. All right. This box, it doesn't look right though, does it? So I can actually adjust it like this. Now there are like some things with like the shape of the box, right? The text box, you can see shrink text and overflow to not auto fit. Let's try to not auto fit. See, when you do the not auto fit, it means I can actually change the box size and it doesn't actually like do annoying things. Now how do I move the box? Well, you can see, let's see, does it work on all the points? Yeah. Let's just look where we get the four-headed arrow. Certain places, right? It looks like there I'm getting it. Basically, just on the periphery of the box or the... Yeah, you're getting a little bit on the inside of the box as well. Just depends, I guess. But that's basically a position where you can change the movement of it. So maybe I want to center this box with the with other things here. So let's again, we're going to go to the periphery of the box. Could also do like a little margin with that. Right, so there's the margin, and then we go into the next section here. All right. Now, what if I wanted to do a new slide? Well, I could do that, new slide. And I could do content with caption. And here we've got a new slide. So this slide is not the one I want. Because for some reason, like even though the box could fit in this spot here, it goes down to this one. So that's cool, isn't it? Next one we have is avocado. So we have our picture of the avocado, and it goes. All right, but what if I wanted to like use to change the formatting to match this one? So what we'll do is we'll select the format painter, we'll select that, put the format painter on, and there we go. You can see we can put it on there like that.